Hello design lovers! My name is Maria Borisova and I'm thrilled to welcome you to my YouTube channel. With over 10 years of experience as the principal of Maria Borisova Design, I have dedicated my career to creating beautiful and functional spaces. Passionate about art, fashion and architecture, I'm excited to share my design vision and expertise with all of you. Whether you're planning to renovate or build your dream home, I'm confident that you will find valuable information and inspiration on my channel. Throughout my videos, I will be covering a wide range of topics, including kitchen and bathroom design, flooring options, tips on creating custom home look on a small budget, and even a stress-free renovation checklist. I will also guide you on how to choose the right contractor, explore different types of window coverings, and keep you updated on the latest trends in the design industry. But that's not all. I'm thrilled to take you along on real-time renovation projects, where you can witness every step of the transformation from start to finish. By subscribing to my channel, you will be part of the journey, gaining valuable insights and witnessing the magic of design unfold. I hope you find my videos both interesting and entertaining. Whether you are a design enthusiast, a homeowner, or simply looking for inspiration, I'm sure that my channel will provide you with the knowledge and ideas to create your dream space. Thank you for joining me on this exciting adventure. I can't wait to connect with all of you and share my designs. See you soon!